just got on the light rail, so I guess there's going to be 2 minutes before I take the flight. Hey, Rankin, you know where the shuttle is? I'm just really more poking around, not really any of the I got here a bit early. Right now it's still like 7:30 right now, and they still have people here for the Orange County flight at 9:50, and my flight isn't until 11 o'clock, so I've got a lot of time to burn here. Well, I just finished that pizza, and that Orange County flight just left, so I'm gonna start packing my stuff again. I'm gonna pull off those propellers, so it's gonna save a bit of trouble, and yeah. Just lined up to start boarding, and yeah, gonna head in soon. Okay, so I just got on this flight, and luckily I got a window seat, so that's pretty nice. I like to look outside, so you know. Well, yeah, just landed in LA, and they're currently busing us to the terminal, so can't wait to see my family again. OMG, you're holding me upside down! Well, I got back last night, and yeah, now it's the morning of Thanksgiving, and I'm just lying in this bed hanging with this motor boy here. No!
Rude.
Well, that was a pretty eventful Thanksgiving day, and now that it's night, I'm gonna do a bit of homework. I've got some art homework that involves some creative stuff, so I'm making a foam board plane, and yeah. Well, yeah. I guess I'm done with this for today. I just cut it out, and yeah, I won't be putting any electronics in it because this is mainly just for art, but yeah, I'll be painting it tomorrow, so yeah, I guess it's time to go to sleep.